A trailer brake controller is a device that allows the driver to control the brakes on a trailer separately from the brakes on the towing vehicle. It is typically installed in the cabin of the towing vehicle and is connected to the trailer's braking system. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. CURT Echo Electric Trailer Brake Controller. Modern problems require modern solutions, and if you're looking for a state-of-the-art trailer brake controller, check out CURT's Echo. What helps this proportional trailer brake controller stand out from the competition is its non-invasive and straightforward install process, which requires simply plugging it inline, into any 7-way connector. From there, it can wirelessly link to your smartphone using Bluetooth. This also means it's easily transferable from one vehicle to another, which may come in handy for some vehicle owners. It also means you can remove it for security. Neither tools nor additional wiring are required for install, and it comes with a locking tab and strap to keep it firmly connected. Once synced with your iOS or Android smartphone, you'll be able to use the Smart Control app to manage the brake controller and control all its brake settings from your phone. And if the Bluetooth connection is lost, you don't have your phone nearby, or it's simply out of battery, you don't have to worry, the controller will continue to function safely by using the most recently programmed settings. Another benefit of the app is the ability to store multiple user and vehicle trailer profiles, so you can quickly switch from one to another. As for the controller itself, it features a triple-axis accelerometer for smooth and safe braking. It works on virtually any trailer with 1 to 2 axles, 2 to 4 brakes, and is fully compatible with cruise control, anti-lock brakes, and low-voltage systems. It'll even send real-time notifications to your phone via the app if your trailer becomes overloaded or disconnected during travel. The Echo has an 85% positive rating, over 1,600 reviews, and earns AB Review Quality rating. CURT Manufacturing offers a limited lifetime warranty, and has been in business since 1993. There is a toll-free US-based customer service number. Number 2. Tekonsha 3P Electronic Brake Control. Tekonsha may not have the same feature set of our editor's pick, but in fact, the only thing that keeps it out of the #1 spot is that it needs to be wired in. The Tekonsha 3P features a large LED readout screen with configurable colors, which will show the current of the system along with battery, brake, and output voltages. The 3P, which is a proportional brake controller, easily plugs into your vehicle using an adapter, which you have to buy separately, and mounts to the bottom of your dash with an easily removable snap-in clip. It requires no calibrating, just plug it in, hook your trailer up, and you'll be on your way. This device provides braking power for up to 4 axles, and like the related 2P, has a boost function that will send full power to the trailer brakes in emergency braking situations. Tekonsha offers an integrated plug-and-play port for 2 plug adapters. The number of functions and options might be overwhelming or overkill if you're not towing very much, and there are other options on the list that will do the job for less money if you don't need the P3S functionality. Tekonsha is a 58-year-old company based in Michigan. The 4P has an outstanding 96% positive rating with over 5,000 reviews, and a company B grade for authenticity. There is a limited lifetime warranty, and separate US-based 800 numbers for customer service and technical support, along with customer support email. They are owned by Horizon Global, which makes other familiar towing brands including Reese and Drawtight. Number 3. CURT Ventura Brake Controller. Designed to offer safe and dependable operation is CURT's Ventura Electric Trailer Brake Controller. This is an easy-to-use brake controller with a nice, visible LED display that allows you to monitor brake operation. This brake controller has no internal moving parts, so no leveling is required. Features on this powerful brake controller include a manual brake slider button, an adjustable power toggle, and adjustable ramp time. According to CURT, you can use its electric trailer brake controller on virtually any trailer with 1 to 3 axles, 2 to 6 brakes. This unit is fully compatible with cruise control, anti-lock brakes, low-voltage systems, and PWM systems. Install is much easier if you purchase a CURT vehicle-specific quick plug harness, which is sold separately. This brake controller comes with an adjustable mounting bracket, so you can set it up for maximum visibility. The venturer has a good 84% positive rating, and the company earns an A grade for review credibility. CURT Manufacturing offers a limited lifetime warranty on brake controllers, and a toll-free customer service and product support number based in Wisconsin. Number 4. Tekonsha Primus IQ. The Tekonsha Primus is an affordable proportional brake controller from the well-liked brand. The 90160 Primus has many of the same features as the other, more expensive brake controllers from Tekonsha, including a boost function, LED readout, and an automatically leveling accelerometer. But while more expensive products will support 8 brakes across 4 axles, this controller only supports 6 across 3. Apart from that difference, this electronic brake controller is just as strong as other products from Tekonsha, most of which would highly recommend. We'd say this is a great electric brake controller for light-duty towers or anyone stepping up from a time-delayed brake controller, but probably not suited for those who tow very often or have very heavy trailers. Like many electric brake controllers, you'll have to buy a T-connector separately. The Primus has an outstanding 95% favorable rating across over 5,000 reviews, and a Company B review rating. Like all Tekonsha controllers, there is a limited lifetime warranty, and separate US-based toll-free numbers for technical service and customer support. Aside from the one-touch boost feature, the Droitite iStop IQ is an identical brake controller made by the same parent company, so there is a good opportunity for bargain shopping. Number 5. Hopkins Insight Plug-in Simple Brake Control. Hopkins packs a lot of features, and an exclamation point, into the Insight Plug-in Simple Trailer Brake Controller. It's a 3-piece product consisting of the controller itself, a tiny LED screen for displaying current voltage and warning the driver of any system problems, and a unique 7-position slider for adjusting the intensity of the brake application. It's the only brake controller on our list capable of operating 4 axles or 8 brakes. Actual mounting of the parts is easy, thanks to a comprehensive install kit, but each of the 3 components needs to be wired together, making it more work than other controllers. The actual controller module is sensitive to mounting position, limiting flexibility a little. It works with hydraulic or electric brakes, and has short-circuit protection. You'll need to find a separate specific plug-in harness needed to work with your vehicle if you don't want to cut and splice wires.